Hi everyone, in the front of me I've got HUAWEI Nova 10 Youth, and let me share with you how to change the ringtone on this device. So first of all we have to enter the settings, and then let's find the section Sounds and Vibration. Now we have to scroll down to find the ringtones, and as you can see here we've got the phone ringtone for incoming calls, so the option we're looking for. And as you can see, it is also divided between two different SIM cards, which is quite cool option because you can set totally different ringtone for the first SIM card and totally different for another one. So you will be able to recognize to which number someone's calling. Alright, so let's enter the phone ringtone. As you can see, you can change the SIM cards, and here we've got the list of pre-installed options from which we can choose. At the very bottom of it we've got the option None, which simply means that after picking it, your device will not notify you about the incoming call. I mean, of course it will notify you, however it will not use the sound to notify you about that. And right here at the top we've got also this section, especially music on device, which simply means that after entering it, and you will be able to pick some music from your own storage. Of course, if you will have some compatible ones, for example downloaded from the internet, etc., so you will be able to set them as a ringtone. But I will pick something from those options from the pre-installed ringtones. So in order to listen how the particular ringtone sounds, simply tap on it and of course volume down, and this is how to check how they sound and if you like them. So for example, let's pretend I want this dream to be applied, so make sure that it is marked and go back, and as you can see it is immediately notified right here, which simply means that from now on your device will use the chosen ringtone to notify you about the incoming call. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.